be a hater. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. What up, YouTube? It's your girl Natalia President, and yes, my last name really is President, and I'm back today bringing you another banger. I'm gonna need for you, of course, though, to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn those post notifications on, so every time your girl posts, you will be notified, because you don't want to miss the straight fire that I'm gonna be bringing to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you 10 personal hygiene tips to make sure you keep your yoni smelling and tasting fresh. So tip number 1, ladies. First of all, everyone knows they love their nice, sexy, panties, and you want to have your silk and all the different types of fabrics and things like that. But when I tell you guys the best type of underwear for your yoni is going to be cotton. When you get cotton panties, you will see the difference between wearing silk panties that don't allow any air to obviously, be able to leave your body. So therefore everything's just trapped in there when you have silk panties on. But if you have cotton, you're allowing airflow, and that's going to keep you away from having yeast infections and keeping all the sweat and all the, yucky stuff in there. You want to let the air flow. So ladies, wear cotton underwear much as possible. Tip number 2, ladies, you want to also try at night. I know it sounds crazy and I know it sounds weird. People can be like, what the heck, you do this? And I'm like, yes. Try sleeping with no underwear. Like, I promise you guys, just letting her breathe and not have anything blocking and keeping it trapped is just amazing. At nighttime, you're not doing anything. You're in your bed, you're under the cover, whatever you're doing, you can sleep with no underwear. You can have a big t-shirt, just let her breathe and have fun. And I'm telling you, you will see the difference, because everyone needs air. Imagine you just all day just being trapped in a car. You're gonna wanna get out and breathe. That's the same with your yoni. She wants to breathe. So at night, try sleeping with no underwear. And I'm telling you guys, you're gonna be coming under this video and commenting like, your girl, you saved my life. You saved my yoni. Watch. So try sleeping with no underwear, ladies. And I'm telling you, you will see a difference. Tip number 3, ladies. The Magic Yoni. I'm not gonna say it again. This is a secret that some people I've put on to, but for the most part, not a lot of people are put onto it. The Magic Yoni is literally amazing. It's a small pill, literally super duper small. It's a small pill that you insert into your vagina, and it detoxes it out. It helps you obviously with wetness. It helps you with becoming tighter down there. So if you are having problems with that, it helps with tightness. It helps with getting your wet, and it helps also with the odor. Some people have problems with odor. Some people have problems with after sex odor. The Magic Yoni, this little pill, is gonna knock all the odor out. You are going to be able to go to the bathroom and have no smell after. If you've had any type of yeast infections, BV, UTIs, this little pill is your best friend, okay? All you have to do is, after your menstrual cycle, pop this sucker in and you're good to go. You're gonna have no smell. You're gonna literally be on wetly overload. So you're going to flood your partner and it's gonna be lit in the bedroom. It's gonna help you feel sexy. And like, when I tell you the Magic Yoni gives you the confidence as a lady that you need in the bedroom, you're going to thank me for the rest of your life. I have customers that tell me all the time how amazing this is. The Magic Yoni is the GOAT. And that gets me to step number 4, the Magic Yoni soap. I know a lot of you guys are like, what is the Magic Yoni soap? Now you just put me onto the Magic Yoni. What's the Magic Yoni soap? The Magic Yoni soap is what you're going to use in the shower for your yoni. Like, it's a soap just for your yoni. And people don't understand how important it is to give your yoni a soap for itself. No, it's not meant to have Bath and Body Works go down there. No, it's not meant to have Dove go all up and through there. No, it needs a soap of its own. The Magic Yoni soap is amazing. It's all natural. It has herbs. Like, it is literally the best soap you're ever going to use for your yoni. So you're definitely going to be thanking me for the rest of your life for the Magic Yoni and the Magic Yoni soap. I will leave the link below so you can get these products, because when I tell you, you can't have an amazing smelling and tasting yoni without these products. Number 5, when you use the bathroom, yes, of course, you obviously are going to use toilet paper, but it's a really good thing for you to carry with you in all times is a small pack of unscented wipes or baby wipes. If you're like me, I'm super duper sensitive. Unscented wipes still can break me out and irritate my skin. Baby wipes, unscented, are literally the best in the holy grail. After you use the bathroom, you use obviously your toilet paper, but then you also come back through with a baby wipe to make sure you get everything off of you. You do not want to leave any type of residue, anything that can cause any type of bacteria or yeast infections. So I'm telling you, bring some baby wipes and keep them with you at all times. A little thing of baby wipes can go a long way, and your yoni's gonna be thanking me. Number 6, it's a little bit more cliche, but you are what you eat. So if you are eating super duper bad, greasy foods and things like that, and red meats and things like that all the time, 24/7, of course you're gonna have a little bit of a, you know, odor down there. No matter how much you take a shower, if you eat garlic 24/7, it's gonna seep out of your pores. So just remember, ladies, you are what you eat. Make sure you guys keep fruits and things like that into your diet, so that way you can have that nice, you know, aroma leaving from your body. I'm not saying obviously if you eat pineapples and strawberries, you're gonna smell like strawberries and pineapples. But, you know, a little birdie told me if you eat some pineapples, you could taste like them. Number 7. Obviously, I know it's kind of common sense, but there's a lot of people, a lot of girls, a lot of young girls that their parents haven't taught them yet, or they don't really know how to bring it up. They don't know this, but when you are wiping in your yoni, make sure you're wiping from the front to the back. Not the back to the front, because trust me, ladies, you don't want to know what's going to happen if you wipe from the front, you know, from the back to the front. You're just literally pushing everything from your back. Think about it. What comes from your butt all the way to your vagina. You don't want to bring it to your vagina. You're trying to bring everything from your vagina back and wiping correctly. So no matter if you're using wipes or toilet paper or anything, you want to make sure you're doing from front to back, not back to front. Remember it, lady honeys, front to back, front to back, front to back. Say it over and over till you remember. Front to back. There's no back to front, okay? No, we're not going out sad like that. Front to back. Number 8, ladies. I know you probably already know this, but I have to say it because there's a lot of people that do not know it. But make sure when you go to the beach or you go swimming or you get into the hot tub or whatever you do, make sure after you're done with the wet activities that you get out of the wet clothes. I know so many people that sit in a swimsuit all day long and it's just wet until the swimsuit dries. And that's not cool. You do not want your yoni to be sitting in a wet swimsuit all day long. You need to get to a bathroom quick as possible. If you can't shower, which is best to shower, but if you cannot shower, it's best to at least go to the bathroom, use your baby wipes, and switch into some dry clothes. That's gonna be your best bet. And I'm telling you, you will notice the difference, because wet swimsuits are not our yoni's best friends. They are enemies. They are like oil and water. Like, no, it's a no-no. Get into dry clothes after you get done with the water. Number 9, make sure you do not reuse rags. This is something recently I discovered, because honestly, I used to, like, obviously, if I use a rag tomorrow, I'm gonna use it, and then you get another one the next day or whatever like that. I know some people that use it for a week, and I don't know, we ain't gonna go farther. But I just learned it's best to not reuse rags at all. I know you're like, how the heck? So listen to me. Go to Walmart, go to Dollar Tree, and buy you, let's just say, 8 or 9 rags. You have a week's worth of rags. It's gonna cost you like $8, ladies. And if you go to Dollar Tree, they're 2 for $1. So you're gonna be paying $4 for some rags, and you have a new one every single day. Then you do your laundry on Sunday and have your little fun laundry day, and you start your day again. You know what I mean? And you can do 8, so that gives you that extra one that if you don't feel like doing laundry on the 7th day exactly, you got that 8th to come in clutch. But if not, do 7, and you have, you know, on the 7th day, you're doing laundry and getting your, you know, stuff ready. But do not reuse your rags, because let me tell you, when you think about it, obviously, wetness attracts, you know, fungus and bacteria and things like that. So if your rag is just sitting there, it's causing all the bacteria to just go to your rag. Then you're reusing it. So you're bringing bacteria onto your body. You might as well go ahead and get you a new rag. It's fresh, it's clean, it's dry. And you're being able to wash your yoni and not have to worry about, you know, any bacteria going down there because you're using an old rag that has been wet and caused bacteria to come to it, and now you're putting it onto your body. So make sure you guys do not reuse rags. Number 10, a lot of you guys understand that you are more prone to get a yeast infection or any type of UTI, BV, anything like that after your wrong time of the month. So ladies, when you're on your wrong time of the month, make sure you take extra care of your yoni. That is the most important time. You want to show it a lot of attention and be affectionate to it and wash it extra. Make sure you're extra clean and make sure you're, you know, keeping it very nice and, you know, just being very nurturing to it, because at that point in time, that's the most time you're prone to actually getting a UTI or a BV or yeast infection. So right after your wrong time of the month, go ahead and pop you in a Magic Yoni. Use your Magic Yoni soap every single day and just make sure you're cleansing your body and getting it ready to understand that, like, okay, your wrong time of the month's about to go off. I don't need no yeast infections. So have a talk with your Yoni and be extra sensitive to it when you're on the wrong time of the month. So that way it knows and you're giving it the extra care and, you know, washing down there more than you would normally, okay? Thank you so much for watching my 10 personal hygiene tips to keep your yoni smelling and tasting fresh. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave in the comments down below any video ideas. If you want a part 2, things like that, let me know. Give me the tea. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Natalia, if you don't already know, and this is Keeping Up with Natalia. Thanks so much for watching, and of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye, you guys.